mipango maber.
Kwa kauni board magayo weche modhi kod teko pacho kae ndio yudore tago maliete mbele komiti od bura mane nono mibadhi moro mar orak mowito omenda maromo $181,181. Director maduong' mar EPRA mane nie orindi maliet mbele mar od bura kamano ne othung'e kod penjo ewi medruok mar bech mauta kod modhi. Jotelo ne oyudore kama tek lero kaka bech mwandu no bedo ka idho pile pile kata bedo ne gisesingo ni bei no ibiro fuong'. Ukoni chiro ne rach kendo report mar ik mar omenda mar 2020 nyaka 2021 ne onyiso jo Kenya ni nyaka giikre ne ngima matek.
As a competent office bearer, do you ever expect fuel prices to reduce even by a coin? That's all I want to hear from you.
Kenyans are really suffering. Today you are seated here. There is no solution you are offering, and yet you know very well that these Kenyans can't manage with the current crisis. You being a participant in increment of the fuel prices, do you think you are being reasonable as a Director General?
The oil business, it's a boom and bust cycle. The prices go up, they come down, they go up and come down. And this is history. In history, you can see this. So this is not an assessment by me as a Kenyan, but an assessment of the industry. So there is an hope and there's an expectation. But Chair, what I want to say is that currently we compete prices. We compete prices on the basis of
and then the auditor is not satisfied with your explanation. That is why we want to get your explanation. I'm helping you to make your explanation, which you made in a very long presentation. We never satisfied anybody, including me.